Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. With so many options, finding the right summer routine can be overwhelming. My channel makes it easy for you to navigate through the beauty space world, especially if we're shade sisters. Even if we're not shade sisters, you can still use my tutorials as a step-by-step guide. Click to subscribe to perfect your summer routine. I want to talk about going viral and what it means to me. We've all seen it, those incredible stories of creators who seemingly overnight explode into the scene, their videos racking up millions of views, their names ringing bells. It's the viral dream, right? Yeah, and let's be honest, who wouldn't want that? The exposure, the potential for growth, and the feeling of having created something that resonates with all your virtual homegirls. But here's the thing about going viral, it's often unpredictable. There's no magic formula, there's no guaranteed path to hitting that viral jackpot. You can follow all the best practices, optimize your titles and thumbnails, jump on trends, and still sometimes the algorithm just doesn't pick you up. And that could be disheartening, especially when you're pouring your heart and soul into creating content. It could feel like you're shouting into the void. But here's the good news. Here's the tea. The piping hot tea. You absolutely do not need to go viral to build a successful and sustainable presence online. You can absolutely monetize your content and build a thriving community even as a small creator. In fact, focusing only on going viral can really slow you down, girl. Honestly and truly, think about it. What does monetization really mean? It means creating value for your audience that they are willing to support, whether through direct purchases, subscriptions, or even just their engaged attention, which advertisers are willing to pay for. And you don't need 1 million views to do that. How can you, as a creator, start to monetize? There are several avenues you can explore. First off, perhaps mostly importantly, is building a loyal audience. Even a small, highly engaged audience is incredibly valuable. There are the ones who are most likely going to watch your videos through, to comment, to share, and ultimately to support you financially. Then you could look into all things like affiliate links. That's my favorite. You could use products and services you genuinely believe in. You can share those with your audience and earn a small commission on sales. And let me tell you, I thrive off affiliate links. It's my favorite option. Use products or services you genuinely believe in. You can share those with your audience and earn a small commission on sales. That's one thing that really holds your girl down, affiliate links. Anything that I share, my girls know I use it in real life and they're going to shop because I use it in real life and I share it. And of course, your own digital and physical products is another powerful option. Do you have a skill that you can teach? Can you create unique merchandise? This allows you to directly provide value to your audience. And of course, there's channel memberships or platforms like Patreon, where your most dedicated fans can directly support you with recurring payments in exchange for exclusive content or perks. Let's talk about the community of 30 plus members that you might have right now. That might not sound like a lot to some, but let me tell you, those 30 plus members are a gold mine. They are the foundation upon which you can build something truly special. Treat every single one of those members like they are the most valuable assets, because they really are. Respond to their comments, acknowledge their present, ask them questions, say happy birthday, show genuine interest in what they have to say. Create opportunities for them to connect with each other. Maybe it's a dedicated Discord server, a private Facebook group, or even just encouraging them to interact in the comment section. Foster a sense of belonging. Ask the girls what they want to see more of. What are their struggles? What are their interests? This feedback is invaluable for shaping your content and ensuring you're creating something that truly resonates. Make them feel heard and valued, girl. Make them feel like they're your homegirls in real life, in 4K. I went to an event a couple weeks ago and someone asked me, why haven't I been viral yet? And my answer was, maybe because I don't have a titty out, or, I'm not vulgar online, or I'm not a pick-me. But my answer today is because I'm a Taurus. Now I have to, I notate, I overanalyze, I go back and I revisit conversations. But my answer today is, I have never went to God and asked him to make me go viral. I have always asked him for guidance, consistency, um, to allow me to touch who I need to touch with all the gifts that He has given me. And it's a blessing that I'm able to still keep my dreams alive while being a mother of three, especially in this world. Um, a lot of mothers make sacrifices and put their dreams aside to, do what they need to do for their children. And I'm just so blessed and so grateful that I'm able to do what I love still at 33. I never had to put my dreams aside. I never had to put my dreams aside, and I will if I have to. I'll go get me a CDL license and hit the road. I'll go back to school if I have to. I'll go become a nurse if I need to for my children. But I'm such a talented person that I don't have to. If one of my talents don't work, I could pull another talent out. And you know, being on the internet, sometimes they tell you to pick a niche. You are the niche, girl. You are the niche. You don't have to pick not one. You could share everything. The content that you create is going to touch who it needs to touch, and if it doesn't, on to the next. Don't delete that video, girl. Just go back and strategize and go back to God and ask Him, okay, that didn't work. I tried to do it by myself. I need you to come hold my hand because I tried to do it, so I need a little bit of help. And that's okay. It's okay. Don't delete that video. Don't get discouraged. And if you do, you're human. And just keep it cute and mute. And this is where delusion plays. You have to believe that you are going to pull that best version of yourself, pull her in real life. You're going to take the steps to be who you need to be for yourself. So yeah, if this video helps you, if this video pushed you, or you have a homegirl that needs a little bit of reason to keep going, share this video with her. It was on my heart to share this. Like I said, I'm a Taurus. My birthday is coming up, and I just needed to let this out. Like, it doesn't matter. What does viral mean? If your back end is not set up, which a lot of people that are viral, their back end is not set up. They're not making no money, not a dollar. So, girl, don't believe the hype. Do not believe the hype. And remove small out of your name. You're not a small creator. You are a creator. And that's that. And that's on period. All right, bye. Love your ass in the worst way. Let you hit it on the first day. What you gonna do for Big Mama for real? What do I get for my birthday? 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 You gotta put in some work today. Can you please do the most for me? Cause I'm sprung. Can you give me some good dick till I come? Then can you make me nut again? Where's your tongue? Can I please get a pink cloud with a drum? Waynesboro part-time excellent. She might be a tourist, a terrorist. A hell's name dragon like she haven't seen law. We can go sightseeing and all that. She can be wifey and all that. She's the tourist.